I'm here at High Output in Canton, Massachusetts. I'm here with Beecher Cotton, a local cinematographer, and we are going to recreate the Jaws dolly shot.
There's only a couple things that go into it. First, you need a zoom lens, and the next thing you're gonna need is a dolly. The way you achieve the look is you start zoomed in, and as you move in, you zoom out so that your subject maintains the same relative size in the frame, but your background will change.
I'm gonna help you set this up. Let's go do it.
Yeah, let's do it.
What would be the major difference between this setup here in the studio and on a beach, like on Jaws?
The major differences are going to be that we are going to be using a much smaller camera than they had to deal with. It'll be a similar sized dolly, and on the beach, the setup of the track would have been much more difficult. Just harder to level track on sand. Nice, so we'll bring it on down the track here and frame up our end frame. What I want to do is I'm going to try to get this lens right in line with you. I want to eliminate as much tilting as possible, and also to make it so you really are only focusing on that change of the background. And action. Alrighty, so that's gonna take a few tries to get that right. I think it's something everybody has to do, and it's a great way to explain what a lens can do and the power of the lens. And I think that's why there's so much emphasis placed on these shots, and when they're properly used, they really do a great job of putting us there with the characters.
Why do you think this is such a memorable shot?
I think it's a memorable shot because it's very effective. It does a great job of putting the audience in Brody's shoes. You know, when you see that shot, you feel uneasy.